Hi everyone, this is Paula from Craftigraphy, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to embroider a name on a ribbon. Embroidering a name on a ribbon can be difficult for a beginner, but it can be very easy if you follow our step-by-step tutorial. The first things you'll need are of course the supplies. You will need a ribbon, embroidery design and documentation file, stabilizer, adhesive spray, new needle for the machine, threads and marking tools such as chalk and ruler. What type of ribbon should I use? Well, this is up to you. It can be silk, polyester or grosgrain. The ribbon should be at least 1 inch wide if you use a satin stitch. If you use a narrower ribbon, use a less dense type of stitch, something like triple bind or sketch so you prevent puckering. Depending on what ribbon type you use, there are multiple stabilizers. For silk, use a heat-away stabilizer so that you don't need to wash the fabric. For polyester and grosgrain, use a wash-away stabilizer. Depending on what you are using the ribbon for, decide where you want to embroider. For this project, we will embroider a name on the bottom part. For ribbon projects, the best embroidery designs have lower density. The design must not be complex and the underlay must have only zigzags or edge so that the fabric doesn't become heavy and deforms the ribbon. We will use a name and 2 decorative elements. The margins of the design must not be close to the ribbon's margins. This also prevents puckering. Now it's time to mark the ribbon. This helps us to correctly place the ribbon on the stabilizer and to guide the machine where to embroider. For my project, I used the wash-away stabilizer because my ribbon is polyester. Cut a piece that will cover your frame and secure it in the hoop. Place the ribbon over the stabilizer and try to align it as well as possible. Use the hoop guide template to align it perfectly. After you found its place, secure it by applying pressure on the ribbon. Once the ribbon is securely placed in the hoop, it's time to set the machine. Attach the new needle and thread the bobbin in the top. Enter the machine's menu and lower your stitching speed. We set our speed at 350 stitches per minute. Attach the frame and upload the design to the machine. Align the machine by following the guides on the ribbon. The center point and margins must be the same when testing. Before starting the program, lower the top tension to 1.5. We suggest making some tests to see what works best on your machine, but this is the range our machine stitches without puckering. Start the program. After the embroidery is completed, cut the jumps. We had a wash-away stabilizer, so we washed the ribbon. Then iron it at a lower temperature so it will dry faster and straighten the fabric. Now it is ready to be used to make ribbons, embellish dresses, luggage tags, stoles or anything else you can think of. We made the test with the heat-away stabilizer in the hoop without adhesive spray. We like it better floating the ribbon and using wash-away stabilizer. You can see that the embroidery with heat-away had a little puckering. It seems that the adhesive spray helps to stabilize better, but you need to be careful how much you apply. You can see in our example with the wash-away that I applied a little too much and I stained the fabric. After I washed the stabilizer, the stain has faded. Maybe after a serious washing, it will disappear. Help us grow and give us a like if you enjoyed our video. We hope you found some valuable information to help you in your ribbon embroidery projects. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you like our teaching style and would like to see more tutorials like this one, check out our other tutorials. Also, you can subscribe to our channel, this way you'll get notified every time we upload new stuff. Happy stitching!